Good morning. I am Odo Solomon Chinedu from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, a 200 level student of Electronic Engineering Department. So, first of all, entering the department, I wanted to. From when I was small, like my parents, they would like I would have a radio, the thing would just spoil and they would just throw it away and go and buy another one, you know. Sometimes I would just go and pick those ones, then try and do one or two things, and then the thing will start working again. Sometimes I will be very, very happy and be like, okay, I can do this thing, I can do that. But then at the stage of when I was in my secondary school, I discovered that because something calculations, they were giving some kind of trouble, so I was running away from something like the science aspect of it. But after my SS1, discovered that I can actually do that. My mother actually inspired me to continue with the dream, so I continued, and here I am now in University of Nigeria, Nsukka. So, and actually my aim was that, you know, seeing some of the things that the whites are doing, you know, I'm actually inspired because I want it to be me doing it, you know, from Nigeria here. So I want to be doing something like that, helping with the technology of this country in particular to grow more and more.